Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated DJI Mavic 4 Pro, a drone that's already creating waves in the tech world. Renowned for its innovative advancements in aerial technology, DJI is once again ready to set new benchmarks in the drone industry. Despite navigating a competitive market and increasing regulatory challenges, the company remains steadfast in pushing the boundaries of what drones can achieve. Let's explore everything we know so far, including leaked specs, potential features, and what this groundbreaking release could mean for the drone community. The excitement begins with recent filings from the FCC and insider leaks, suggesting that the DJI Mavic 4 Pro's release might be closer than we think. According to reports, the Mavic 4 Pro will launch with two models labeled L3A and L3B. This approach aligns with DJI's strategy of providing tailored options to cater to diverse market segments. Whether you're a professional filmmaker seeking advanced features or a hobbyist looking for an accessible, budget-friendly option, the Mavic 4 Pro promises to have something for everyone. Enhanced power and performance. One of the standout features of the Mavic 4 Pro is its upgraded power system. Reports indicate a massive leap with a 6,654 mAh battery, a significant upgrade from the 5,000 mAh battery of the Mavic 3 Pro. This enhanced capacity is expected to deliver longer flight times, making it an ideal choice for users requiring extended operational periods. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes, conducting surveys, or filming dynamic action scenes, the improved battery life ensures that the Mavic 4 Pro can keep up with your demands. DJI's dedication to power efficiency not only enhances performance, but also underscores its commitment to addressing user needs through practical upgrades. Revolutionary camera system. The Mavic 4 Pro's camera system is generating significant buzz among drone enthusiasts. Leaked images hint at a spherical camera module, which represents a radical shift from the triple camera setup seen in the Mavic 3 Pro. This innovative design is expected to incorporate multi-sensor technology, promising superior image quality, advanced stabilization, and improved scene recognition. Additionally, rumors suggest that DJI may integrate cutting-edge AI features into the camera system. These include automatic shooting modes, intelligent subject tracking, and enhanced low-light performance. These advancements have the potential to redefine aerial imaging, making the Mavic 4 Pro an indispensable tool for professional photographers and videographers alike. For those aiming to capture cinematic quality footage, the ability to record in 8K at 60 frames per second, coupled with 4K oversampling and 10-bit color depth, is a game-changer. These capabilities ensure unmatched detail, vibrant colors, and professional-grade output. Intelligent flight features and obstacle avoidance. AI-driven enhancements don't stop at the camera. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to feature upgraded obstacle avoidance systems powered by advanced AI algorithms. These intelligent flight modes aim to deliver smoother, more autonomous flight experiences, enabling users to focus on their creative vision rather than manual controls. Whether you're navigating through tight spaces or capturing fast-paced action, these systems promise a seamless flying experience. The Mavic 4 Pro's intelligent flight features could include precision tracking, waypoint navigation, and even advanced automation for complex maneuvers. These innovations are designed to elevate both the usability and versatility of the drone, setting a new benchmark in aerial technology. Perfect timing for a game-changer. The timing of the Mavic 4 Pro's rumored release couldn't be better. With relatively few groundbreaking drone launches in recent months, DJI has a unique opportunity to reassert its dominance in the industry. Despite facing regulatory scrutiny, particularly in regions like the United States, DJI continues to innovate, proving its resilience and adaptability. The Mavic 4 Pro's anticipated advancements in battery life, camera technology, and intelligent automation are poised to establish new standards in the drone world. Broad appeal and versatility. The dual-model strategy L3A and L3B highlights DJI's focus on catering to a wide audience. For seasoned professionals, the advanced model offers state-of-the-art features designed to meet the demands of high-end production work. On the other hand, the streamlined version ensures accessibility for casual users and hobbyists without compromising on essential features. This approach ensures that the Mavic 4 Pro resonates with diverse user groups, further cementing DJI's position as a leader in the drone market. Pioneering innovations. Beyond the camera and battery improvements, The Mavic 4 Pro's rumored specifications include enhanced heat management systems to support high-resolution video production. Heat dissipation is a critical challenge for drones capturing 8K footage, and DJI's innovative approach ensures sustained performance even during demanding operations. Furthermore, the Mavic 4 Pro is expected to feature enhanced connectivity options, potentially including improved transmission technology for better range and stability. These enhancements are particularly valuable for professional use cases such as live broadcasting, remote inspections, and cinematic productions. Redefining the drone landscape. As the drone community eagerly awaits DJI's official announcement, the anticipation surrounding the Mavic 4 Pro grows. From its revolutionary imaging systems and extended flight capabilities to its intelligent automation and versatile design, the Mavic 4 Pro promises to be a game-changer in the world of aerial technology. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, a photographer, or an enthusiast exploring the skies, this drone is set to redefine what's possible. Final thoughts. The excitement is palpable as we approach what could be a landmark moment in DJI's history. The Mavic 4 Pro has the potential to set new industry standards, solidifying DJI's reputation as a pioneer in aerial innovation. What features are you most excited about? Please share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's discuss the future of drone technology together. Stay tuned to technology in the future for more updates on the DJI Mavic 4 Pro and other groundbreaking innovations shaping our world.